All right, good afternoon, everyone. Closing bell Thursday, and it's been another great day. And this week's just been on fire. Real quick, SPY. I mean, it's eventually going to go past 454 all-time highs, so we don't need to really worry about that. But the good thing is, we're playing stocks that has zero dependency on the market so far. So today, I didn't play Amazon. I finally sold my Tesla 880 calls. I scalped another 880 call, and it's just been terrific. Tesla's going to eventually going to break out for 900. So I'm going to put this on a watch list for tomorrow. I will likely try to find a good spot, but it looks like 892 is a floor right now for Tesla. And I think I'm going to do like a 900, 925 long-term December type calls. Premiums are going to be a little bit high, but I like Tesla to break that all-time $900.40. This thing is going to 1,000. So Tesla is going to be on watch for tomorrow. Okay, so as far as watch list for tomorrow, I don't have anything else besides Tesla. I might play Amazon, etc. But I'm going to scalp for tomorrow because usually if you're brand new to our community, I don't do any more new swings on Fridays. I just scalp or just kick back and watch the market and also prepare for next week. But just to kind of give you guys an update, what's going on? We're still holding OCGN. That's had a little jump this morning, but kind of failed once again at this trend line resistance here. So I'm going to average down more. I'm going to buy more DATs here because I think this will eventually pop over to 10, and it's going to be really fun. And I think it's going to hold, all right, especially on the daily chart. So we're going to hold DATs. We're going to hold Got You, all right? So we're down like, 6 pennies right now. And I'm getting a lot of questions from you guys on, should we hold Got You, blah, blah, blah. Okay, look what it's doing. Let's step back and examine the chart. We know we got a wedge set up on a 4-hour chart, okay? The daily chart's not going to show you much, but it is testing this downward trend line, all right? Now, I will only get worried if it breaks below yesterday's low of $3.51, which was right here, all right, 351. If it breaks lower, then I'm going to start getting a little worried. It will break down from this red zone right here, okay, which would be 350, all right? So I don't think you need to worry about Got You. I do think that the run is coming. It's just taking a little bit of time, so you need to exercise patience on GOTU. All right, FCell, I'm still holding. I averaged down on FCell. This is kind of show you guys what it looks like on the daily chart here. FCell is kind of trapped in this flag right now. Okay, not looking like too strong. It's definitely getting rejected here near this daily VWAP and also right above it at about $8.80. It's trying to go higher, so we're going to give it a little bit more time. I don't want to take a 3% loss at this point. It wouldn't make any sense to just sell this right now. PLXP, I'm still holding. Yes, I'm holding AVIR. PLXP is not actually doing too terrible today. I know it dipped down briefly a little bit. But as far as the daily chart, it's still trading above the moving average 200. I think we have a good floor established now since we got in. So this is a good, worthy trade to actually average down on and take more. Just nibble at it. You don't have to go in full position, right? All right. But what did work today? Some of the great trades today, obviously, besides Tesla and selling the calls, etc., was obviously DWAC. Okay, so I want to run through this chart with you. Now, we traded it earlier this morning. $12 alert. We sold it at 14 or 15, and some of you guys held it. Great, fantastic, congratulations! But I finally got back in about 23, and it ran to $51. Goodness gracious, that was amazing play. I will put this on a watch list tomorrow for another scalp. I think it has more room to run because of the hype surrounding Donald Trump. But let's run through this trade really quick. Okay. So we got in pre-market, we traded really briefly, and then it took off during the. Now I could have got in here, but I was actually at the gym, so I didn't take the trade. But when I got back in the gym, back from the gym, I saw this candlestick break above my EMA 9 lines. Okay, so this chart shows moving average, but it's pretty close. EMA 9 is pretty close here, and then so it's just started running. So I got in at probably 23, right about here. The second candlestick above trading the EMA 9, and I continued to trade with it. Now, how come I didn't take profit at 30? How come I didn't take profit at 40 or even 45. I should have took profit at 50, to be quite honest. This is a shooting star candlestick, so we know that this run for the time being is done. Now it's setting up to be a wedge, but I'm not going to get faked out on that. So I think it might go lower later on today or even tomorrow, but it might still be worth the scalp. But the reason is because if you guys watch my EMA video, is I trade and just watch the price action bounce off the EMA 9 until it explodes. And then we get out quickly as possible, because here after the shooting star, it started coming down lower and finally broke the EMA 9. So we knew we had to get out then. All right. So just FYI, heads up, that's what my thought process was. Now, of course, during every 5-minute candle, you're going to be like holding your breath. You're going to be scared. Should I take profit? Should I not? I mean, I get a lot of questions about, okay, well, I take profits too early, John. Well, use the technical indicators. If it's trading above your EMAs, you're fine. Okay. When it starts breaking down, you're not fine. When it's running up and it's trading along the EMAs, all right, all you got to do is go grab a cup of coffee and come back in 20 minutes and you'll have 100% on your profits. All right. So with that being said, again, no watch list tomorrow. Just we're holding on to to our swings, like GOAT, GOTU, DATS, FUBO, FCell, most recently PLXP, AVIR, and this whole DWAC pretty much made everybody's day. And I see that some of you have doubled your account states, and congratulations to you guys. So with that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow pre-market. Have a great one and be blessed.